Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to send a message on WhatsApp. Tap the green chat icon in the bottom right corner. Select a contact from your list or use the search bar to find someone. Tap the contact's name to open the chat. Type your message in the text input field and tap the send button. Messages can contain up to 65,536 characters. If a message length exceeds 65,536 characters, WhatsApp gives a warning message the pasted message is too long. That's it, you've successfully sent a message on WhatsApp. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.